And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ, that is the book, this Quran, La Rayba, no doubt in it, Fihi, no doubt in it, Hudal lil Muttaqeen, the guidance for those who fear Allah, who can be guided with the Quran, and those who are fearless, they are considered as godless, and the godless people can never be guided. And Allah mentioned it that those who fear Allah, who will be guided by this Quran, they are those who believe in unseen. Alladhina yu'minuna bil ghaib, those who believe in unseen. Yet our belief is not blind belief. We believe with our intelligence. Because we see that there is a creation, so there should be a creator. We see the system, so there is somebody to control that system. We see the artistry in the creation, so there should be an artist who make this whole artistry. We see the intelligence in the creation. The creation is not a blind creation. The creation is not just a random creation. Rather, we see the design. So there should be a designer who designed the creation. We see in the creation intelligence. It's not a blind creation. It's intelligent creation. So who gives the intelligence to the creation? There should be a creator who is very intelligent. We are believing in unseen, but we don't have the blind belief or blind faith that you need to believe if you understand or no. No, we understand it. Our mind accepts it and our heart testifies this. So our belief is not the blind belief, but our belief is unseen belief. Means I did not see Allah, but I believe in Allah. Because I have evidence for this. What is this? The biggest evidence I believe in God is me, myself. Who made me? I did not make me, myself. My parents did not make me. No government made me. No people made me. No factory I was created or manufactured. Somebody made it very perfectly. And that is the biggest proof that there is a God who made me. And I have no control in myself. Even the blinking of eyes, I cannot control. Even I cannot stop thinking my mind. I cannot stop pumping my heart. I cannot do anything. I cannot stop my age. We cannot stop our age. Everybody wants to have a childhood age, but we cannot be child all the time. Everybody wants to live young, but we cannot be always young. Everybody wants to live, but nobody is living forever. So it means the life given to us, it's not in our control. Somebody else is controlling it. Nobody has any power over his own self. How much more you can control the world? Even to our own self, we have no power to control ourselves. Example, the very small example, this blinking of the eyes. Don't blink it. If you will be dared to do it for 30 minutes, your eye is going to blind. Because this blinking is wiper. It's like a wiper. It's cleaning our lens. And it's also liquefying. It's also producing the water on our eyesight. Otherwise, our eye will get dry. And you will be blind. And this, if you stop blinking, you will cry and you will be going to damage your eye. Even to stop blinking your eye, we have no power over it. Our cells are, every moment, the millions of cells are dying, and the millions of cells of our body are recreating 24 hours a day. We have 100 billion neurons in our brain, 100 billion electric currents in our brain, and it's connected to whole body, and 24 hours we are getting signals from our body to our brain, and our brain is interpreting them 24 hours a day, and we have no interference there. Somebody else is controlling it. Our heart, it is like the size of our fist. It is pumping 24 hours a day. The thousands of gallons of blood goes from the brain until the toe. 24 hours a day, the blood pumped by the heart, and the heart bring to the blood to every cell of our body. We have 100 trillion cells in our body, and every cell needs an oxygen, and the blood bring the oxygen to every cell for our survival. And we have no control over it. So we believe that the God who created us, He should be our creator, He should be our God, and we should worship Him. Everything, everywhere you can look around. And when we were traveling, we see that I saw the night, day, and it goes and goes and goes, and later I see it's dark. So I think myself, who made this dark now? It was very lightful, and now it becomes dark. You go in the airplane, you go inside the airplane, it's dark. When you wake up, you see it's already light. Who bring the light now? Who bring the day? Who bring the light? Who bring the day? The sun set today 6:05 p.m. Next year, the same day, 6:05 p.m. Who control the sun to be sunset on the same day, on the same time? The sun is a speed, the limit, the miles, millions of miles away from us, or millions of kilometers away from us. If the sun will get little closer, we will all burn. Sunuklan. And if the sun gets little farther, we all become freezed. Who make the perfect distance of sun, which can always benefit us and not to harm us? You can go on and you will see that I believe with surety, I believe with intelligence, I believe with my mind, and I can believe with my eyes. I can see everything, the truth. So we don't believe in blind faith, we believe in the unseen faith. That you don't see Allah but you believe, and you believe with authority that somebody made me and He is my creator.